Hey y'all, it's Teresa
and Courtney
with Yellow Daisy.
Welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be continuing our decluttering series and we'll be going underneath my sink in my kitchen.
And I'm sure, just like a lot of you guys, in the beginning of the year, you think of decluttering and organizing. So we are going to, throughout the year, do different tasks within the home in different rooms. Some videos you'll see Courtney's house, some videos you'll see rooms in my house. So as you'll see in this video, Courtney's under her sink, it wasn't that bad. It just over time needed to be cleaned up, reevaluated of things that she had, and you'll see in the video that we did that.
And I was able to use baskets and bins that I already had, so this was another free project for me. Leave us a comment if you're decluttering any rooms in your house too.
Yes, and we'd love to hear any kind of suggestions, ideas that you've come up with. Hope you enjoy the video.
Thanks for stopping by. Here's an overview of everything that's underneath my sink. As you can see, it's really not that bad. We've just collected things along the way and threw it underneath there, and it just needed to be reorganized. And here I am taking everything out so that I can evaluate everything that I had in there. And of course, what's organizing without cleaning? Again, I used my thieves cleaner to clean underneath the sink. How does it even get that dirty under a sink? Mom and I were trying to utilize the baskets that I already had in the house, and that one was too big. It amazes me how much stuff you can get in a small space. Now I'm just wiping down everything that I do want to keep and putting the stuff that I don't in the basket that was in there originally. The basket actually had a hole on the bottom, so we were just going to go ahead and get rid of it. And here's the after. It seriously only took us like 10 minutes to do this project. Thank you so much for stopping by, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up and leave us your comments. Hit that subscribe button.